Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a serving bar on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers the product directly to consumers from China and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will just go and search for serving bars. Okay, so here you can see. So I will be going with these. Okay, so this product will cost you around 40.48 dollars on Amazon, but here at TEMU you are just paying 6.774 dollars, hence you are saving 83%. Okay, so here we can see this serving bar, so it's very good. Okay, you can see looking like this. You can just put the ice also if you want to, like put fruits also like this. Okay, serving bar. Okay, here we can see it's come with a great review of 4.8 star, and if you can see here we can see the other things also. So here we can see the detail. Okay, it will looking like this. It will very good. Okay, so it will like something look like this. So to buy you will just click on add to cart button, then then you have to click on buy button and follow the instruction to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a serving bar on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.